Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI music with Suno AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website, suno.com, and then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account. And after that, you're going to select this create menu, and then you can describe the song or the music that you want to create. If you want to create instrumental only, you can go to the custom, and then you can activate the instrumental. And for me, I'm going to create a song, and I'm going to add the description here. Actually, for the description, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, so I'm going to paste the prompt here. Okay, and this is the kind of song that I want to create with AI, and then I'm going to click on create, and the AI will create a song for me. Okay, it's still loading guys, and the song will appear right here, and then the AI will give you some alternatives that you can choose. Alright, and the song is ready, and I'm going to play one of them. I'm going to play this one. Okay, and if you want to download the song, you can click on the three dots, and then you're going to click on download and choose the format. I'm going to choose MP3 audio. Click on download anyway, and then the song will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.